I'm a game changer. I'm a risk taker. I don't hide from the battle. The battle hides from me.
Hello everyone, my name is Chi. My ID is TW5081. I'm from Taiwan, and my group is RCAP CoSpace Rescue Challenge, First Step Under 19. And this is my strategy. Strategy 1. Measure colors. There are a lot of colors in the map. Each color has a different meaning, such as the red, cyan, and the black dots. If you reach the dots, you can get the scores. The orange zone is where your robot put the object to. In addition, the yellow zone where surround with another color is the trap area, where it will deduct your sock. And the last one is the blue zone, where your socket get double. But the robot don't know these colors, so you need to tell the robot the difference between these colors. The color sensor can indicate the numerical of the block, so it can distinguish the difference. Therefore, your robot will work successfully. Strategy 2. Random walk. It is the easiest and most basic way to go. When you are moving along the wall, there are a few things you need to know, like the amount of speeds should be adjusted and how far the angle should be turned. Here are some of my experience. I will set the speed at 83 because it is the fastest speed and then the lowest error rate. And how about the turn? In fact, it doesn't have any certain numerical, so don't worry. Just don't keep yourself stuck in the corner and that will be fine. Strategy 3. Move along the wall. The robot will move along the wall and it can get high score in a short time. How to get high score by using move along the wall? First, you need to choose which side of the wall are you going to walk along, left or right. Second, you need to choose the distance from the wall. Different distance can make your score different. That's the way that you can win the other robots. Strategy 4. Use RGB limit to get high scores. If the robot gets a red, a cyan, and a black object, it will get an extra point. So usually we try to get RGB. We will write a program to get RGB, but there are some risks to this program. If one color is missing from the map, the robot will continue on the map in order to get that color, and the robot won't go to deposit. Strategy 5. Markers. There are many special colors in the map. The special colors make the most of markers in the map to reach to a specific area like blue zone and deposit zone. Strategy 6. Super Zone. You can take good use of the super zone in the map, because the object's socks will be double. In the super zone, we usually will slow down our speed, because it is too pity if you go out of the super zone, and you can choose whether or not to run the program, because sometimes there isn't any object in the super zone. Strategy 7. Compass. Just like you see, it is a compass. You can tell your robot which direction it should go, so that your robot can go to the super zone and orange zone successfully. I am a junior high school student. I have been studying CoSpace for 3 years. I am extremely honored to participate in this competition. As you can see from the group I applied for, you may know this is my first time to participate in such a major competition. Therefore, I am pretty exciting and nervous. I have learned CoSpace in the past 3 years. I loved to assemble when I was a child, so I went to class from the beginning to assemble robots for playing and writing programs. First of all, the personal idea is the most important thing. It can change the executing program according to different person, so the gameplay of the program is very changeable. Because of this, it makes the program very difficult. People who have no idea are very disadvantaged. At the beginning, I also encountered this problem. I must have a certain SOP and a certain way of writing project, but I quickly found out that I couldn't get high score. After discussing with my classmates and my teacher, I start to have my own ideas. We figure out a lot of strategies. For example, move along the wall and markers. I have never had an online competition like this. Because of the COVID-19, the teacher and the parents have always been watching us under a great pressure. But this time is different. We feel comfortable in our own classroom, so we can slack. I hope that we can continue to participate in this large-scale game in the future. Although the practice before the game is tiring, I am still very interested and I wish I can be the winner. Thanks to the organization for continuing to run this international competition in the outbreak. Viewing Comet. I am interested in ID TW5083. After viewing his video, I found that his route is similar as mine, but the RGB limits are quite different. My RGB objects only takes one, but his RGB objects takes two. Therefore, I have learned walking step by step will be the safest way.